Hello and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your presentations using the AI Assistant in Decktopus. The AI Assistant in Decktopus helps you generate text, edit content, and even come up with creative ideas for your slides. It's like having a personal writing assistant right inside your presentation tool. Let's see how you can use it. After opening your Deck's editing page, you will see the AI Assistant section at the top left of the menu. From here, you can generate a slide or an image, translate your deck into different languages, or create Q&A sessions, get smart tips about your presentation with AI and in just a few seconds. To generate a new slide, click on AI Slide Creator and write down your prompt to generate an additional slide. You can also attach a document at the step to include it in your slide. After it is generated, you can customize it as you wish. To generate an image with AI, write down your prompt and AI will generate an image based on the prompt you give. Don't forget to be specific with your prompts for better results and adjust it the way you like. With AI Assistant, you can translate your deck into a different language without spending hours. To translate your deck into a different language, click on Translate My Deck and choose the language you want. In a minute, a new deck with a new language will be created in your dashboard, or you can view it by clicking on the button in the box at the bottom right. To create a Q&A session for your audience or for yourself to be ready for the questions that can be asked during the presenting time, click on Create Q&A and questions related to your deck's content will be generated in just a few seconds. If you want to deliver smart tips during your presentation, we've got you covered. Click on Smart Presentation Tips and see how magic happens. That's it for the AI Assistant feature. With Decktopus AI Assistant, creating professional and engaging presentations has never been easier.